In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your workspace in Monday.com fast and easy. Monday.com is a powerful platform designed to help you organize and streamline your work, whether you're managing a small project or coordinating a large team. Knowing how to manage your workspace effectively can make a significant difference in your productivity. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, to begin managing your workspace, you need to navigate to where it all starts, the name of your workspace, which you'll find located at the top left corner of your Monday.com interface. Clicking on this is like opening the door to your control center, allowing you to access various management options. This access point is key to keeping everything organized and functional as you move forward. Once you've clicked on your workspace name, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select the option labeled Manage Workspace. This is your gateway to complete control over your workspace settings and configurations. By choosing to manage your workspace, you open up several avenues to customize the environment to perfectly suit your team's needs. It's a central hub for facilitating smooth operations and ensuring that your project management needs are met. Now, with the Manage Workspace menu open, you're ready to make some impactful changes. Within this menu, you have the power to add or remove members, rename your workspace, or adjust settings as necessary. Adding new members can be crucial when scaling your projects or if new team members need to come on board. Conversely, removing members effectively ensures that only necessary personnel have access, keeping your workspace secure and focused. Moreover, renaming your workspace can help maintain clarity, especially if project goals or team structures change. Meanwhile, adjusting other settings allows you to fine-tune how the workspace operates, creating an environment that promotes efficiency and collaboration. After you've made the necessary adjustments, the final step is to save your changes. Always save your changes to ensure that all updates are recorded and implemented. This step is vital for maintaining continuity and making sure that the adjustments you've worked hard to perfect actually take effect. Monday.com typically provides a clear button or prompt to save these changes. It's like hitting Publish on your work. Until you do it, the job isn't done. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your workspace on Monday.com, making it a more effective tool for you and your team. By following these steps, not only do you maintain an organized workspace, but you also pave the way for improved productivity and collaboration within your team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Monday.com workspace with ease. See you next time.